¡Ay, estrella! Mamá la perra.
Hey! All of you on one hand. My God!
Pinky.
High five.
Girlfriend and I are gonna get dressed.
Done this. Come on.
A switch with your licenses.
Oh God.
The choice is yours.
Tesla, burrito. Whee! Be sad. In, and then you lay it on.
Ma'am, that is not ladylike. Oh.
Oh, it's just your demise.
Okay.
What? No. I
Long live the king.
What are you doing? Oh no.
Can you hold the fucking light straight? Let's sing a song, yeah?
You're not gonna react? Oh.
Dame la mano, loco.
Wee wee.
I got my cat one of these things you can sit in so you can see their feet. Oh my gosh.
Sit. Pop the package up here.
I love you.
Hey. Stop. Oh my god!
There, Finkel. Up.
Make the right choice, okay? Hey, 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 hey. That's not it. Salam alaikum.
Спасибо, моя кися.
It's you!
Don't tell me he's in it.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants.
Oh, that's not a ball, that.
Smells it. Over these double baked chemicals in here.
Max, I knew you was...
See? It's alright. It's all good.
would be.
Your demise.
Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants.
Hi, my name is Erin. I use she, her pronouns, and I am this. Zoe. Не надо. Ах ты.
He's like growling, but he's
Hey, come here, come here. Come on.
Normalize you not touching my charger.
And that's not it. That looks like a house cat.
Oh, sorry. I'm a cat lover. I'm sorry.
My Cheetos! What are you doing?
Oh. Hi, how you doing?